Haha. This is gonna be a 1v1 with Truddle. The one that got me a lot of views, cause I guess me and Truddle are like popular, and you may be asking why is there no sounds? Cause she wants to do a 1v1 where there's no sounds, and this might be a little difficult for me. Cause yeah, and let me see if is she here? Is she like AFK or no? And yes, I'm on mobile again. I told you I'm not gonna switch to PC. I'm getting somewhat better on PC, but I don't think PC is gonna be like my favorite thing to use, because mobile is also my favorite thing to use. You know? Am I recording? Yeah. Okay. Wait, I forgot to buy gifts. Blah, 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 blah. Wait, is she AFK? I can't. Yes. Wait. Oh, what? I was even. Oops. Well, I guess she doesn't want to do no rules as well. Well, that's first gift for her. Every round we win, we give them a gift. All right. I forgot to buy. Where is coin exchange? No. Okay. Okay, where is she? There. I was gonna give buy for. I think I'm not on the leaderboard anymore, but I'll get there soon, because I'm gonna get more gifts this evening. And sorry for the background noise. It's just there's a lot of music downstairs, and yes, it's relaxing. Not gonna lie. All right. Go. I'm gonna use X-ray, but I feel like that's a bit toxic. But she's a trap, so I guess I shouldn't be talking. Where are you? Out of all places, where would you be? I just feel like I'm gonna go through here, because I feel like this could be trapped over down there. No. I cannot hear anything, like nothing at all. Let's see. Yes, sir. Right, we're gonna turn up a bit. La-dee-dee, la-dee-doo, la-dee-da. La-da-dee, la-dee-doo, la-dee-da. La-da-dee. Oh yeah, she cannot hear me shoot. That is also another thing. Wait, where'd she go? No! No! No, 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 no. No. Alright, we gotta switch it up. We're not using Slay, because obviously we have no sounds. So I'm gonna have to do it to her. I'm gonna have to use X-ray. Alright, another one. Easy. Best of 4. Oh, she got copper. This is not fair. Office. 0-2. Alright, is this the first time she has to win against me? But no sounds and no rules. That's actually crazy, bro. Like, I'm used to like sounds, but without sounds, it's just so weird. This music is really ASMR to me. Yeah. Alright, go. Yeah, and yes, I have all my sounds off, because, yeah, volume. Alright, 3, 2, 1, okay. I know you're still there. Okay, she's moving. She could be somewhere, but where could she possibly be? Could she be over here? Like, there's no sounds, like I cannot hear. I'm gonna have to use X-ray, because X-ray is the only thing that can save me. Haste? No. 3, 2, 1. Oh. How did she survive? Oh. 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 Oh no. Oh no. No. How she survived that? Come here. How did she survive that? How does she live? How does she live, bro? What, bro? No way. Where is she? There's no way. Please, 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 game, please, game, please, PC. Just imagine I'm in PC. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm not ready. I'm going away. No, 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 no. I should have had slide instead. X-ray, X-ray. I'm mastermind. Ooh! No, 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 no. Oh my god. No sounds is so scary, dude. No sound is so scary. Bro. Yeah, she also got that Juan. I mean that gun. I said Juan. let's put it on as well. Hey, I got common. Workshop. Nah, I should do mansion. So if we get mansion, then I'm just gonna bro, it is like I play with no audio sometimes, but it's still scary to me because it's literally a 1v1. I agree, not gonna lie. Well, we got murderer. Go. Let me just wait for my chat to go away. The last second, she just the last second, literally the last second where Ghost like disappeared. She literally just pops out of nowhere. This would be even better if I was in a call with her. Wanna meet my dad? Come here. Okay, come. Yes, Zalik is my dad. He's a bit frozen, but yeah, he'll survive, don't worry. Alright. Oh no. Because she's gonna have traps. Oh well, maybe. I don't know. What if she puts one down here and I'm dead? Like, she'll get in the corner, put a trap, and then she just wait for me to step on it, and I'm dead. So, maybe this one on the train tracks. I wish you can see traps. Like, it's kind of overpowered. Where is Truddle? Where is Truddle? Where is Truddle? Oh, snap. Come on. No, she was behind. Wait, where was she? Wait, what? Oh, did she like... If she actually... Bro, no way. You know what? I'm gonna have to do it to her as well. Oh, well. You know what? I'm gonna have to do traps as well. What's a good map? Police. Like, what is... I need to know where she would, like, stay in a corner and then put traps. Well, hello, sir. Hello. Wait, I need to meet my dad. Come, I'm coming, Dad. I will save you, Dad. Come here. Yes, sir. I cannot use Juan. Why is it this map? Oh well, this map I can see like perfectly, but she's gonna be in the theater, bro. I'm not gonna push it because I'm gonna die. Like, if I push the elevator or the stairs, there's probably a trap right there waiting for me, and I'm dead. If I can like Let's see where she is. No, please. Where is she? Show yourself, coward. No, I'm just kidding. La da dee, la dee doo, la dee dee, la da dee, la dee doo. Is she in the bathroom? Where is she? Out of all places, where could she be? Like, I'm in the theater. Bro, what if I just like push? No, no, no! I knew that was gonna happen, dude. GG, lol. No. All right, so in my inventory, what does she want? Overseer. Let's see. This is the first time I actually give her something. Let's see what I have. I can give her armor laser and saw. Accept. Oh wait, we haven't finished. Wait, until what? Yee. It's for 2. It's for 2 do. Besides, isn't she like, she only has chromas, so, well, not mostly chromas, but yeah. One more. Let me just buy one more gift. Yes, sir. Da 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 dun 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 dun. One more. No. So, where could she possibly be? I have traps. She got no traps. So, this is like a win-win for me. Well, hello. I see you. Go in the other side. I will kill you. Ooh. Whoa. Oh no. Oh no. She's gonna get step onto my trap. No. Oh well, GG. I should never pushed it. I should just baited. That would have been a play, dude. Okay. So wait. 100 buy gift. All right. Well, I need to buy the last one. Me. Let's see what she got. Well. Okay. She wants to do one more. Bro, no noises is so annoying, not gonna lie, but it's also fun. Wait, I didn't get to choose a chat. Okay. Yes, sir. Look, pink present, because it's from me. But Christmas is over, so yeah. And it's 2021. And I don't know if this year's gonna be okay, but you know, oh well. Okay. If I click that, and yeah, I want to use that for snacks, but I haven't ordered in like a while. Hello. Wait, let me just wait for her to shoot, and then I wait. Thank you. You're gonna miss your shot. You gotta hit your shots. 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 Oh. Woo. Why can I hit that? Oh, what? I did not know that I was gonna hit her. Well, 5-3. Well, imagine if I made a comeback, dude. Like, that would be cool. Also, happy Friday to every one of you guys. Hope you guys having a great day, and I love you guys, and you're amazing love. And just keep that reminded, okay? Yes, I'm talking to you. Even my character's talking to you. Yes, you. How long have I been recording for? 15 minutes. Okay. Hey, if I'm gonna do one more, then I'm gonna to buy. Oh wait, she said last. I don't have to do a gift, so. Oh, it's because I gave her the gift. That's why I wasn't supposed to do that. Go. Ooh, and it's time for traps. Let's put him in a safe place. Cause let's not put them in the vents, cause we're gonna die anyways. Cause if we push her and we die, that's not good. Cause I can't aim anymore. Like my aim's pretty dookie. I feel like she's in the middle. My phone's a bit laggy. I don't know why. Where is she? It's because she's not here. Oh, wait, she is. Is she? I didn't see. My phone's laggy. Stop. 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 Oh. Oh! Yeah, go over there. Go to that side and you're gonna die. You're gonna get trapped. Come on. Come on. Come on. Could this be the juice? The sauce? Please. Hello. 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 No! What? No. No way. No way. No way. No. I'm so bad. No way. No way, no way. I literally clicked it and nothing happens. Okay, no way, no way, no way, no way. She literally just got the best shot in her life. No way, no way, no way. No, 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 no. We gotta accept the trade. Accept the trade. Accept the trade. I'll be the sugar daddy. Want to go to... That's a lot, though. I just want to give her a reward now. Like, no more presents. Well, accept the trade. Accept trade. Accept trade first. First. We could do it for fun. Alright, so let's see. I'll give her saw. Where's armor laser and yeah. Well, I had a lot of fun. Okay. Well, you don't have a choice, so. Well, did she accept? Did she accept? Oh no, my phone's at 20%. Did she? No, she didn't accept. 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 No problem. Wait, did she accept both? She did. Alright, we're gonna do this last one and then we're gonna go. Whoa, I need to play. It's because I don't have any noises. Like, I'm really so bad at this game. I have a play. If this gets me killed again, I'm not using traps ever again. Okay. She steps on that trap. Okay, she's going back down. Is she? No. Imagine if she actually opened that and then... I just want her to drop down, then I kill her. Wait. Sneaky cheeky. Uh-oh. We have to be... Ah! Oh. Run. We gotta run. We gotta run. Gotta go fast. Fast. Is she gonna stop on my trap? I just want her to jump, open that, then jump, and make her jump in through there. Meow, meow, mama, me mama, meow, mama. Let's see. Meow, mama. Did she step on it? No. She's still in the elves, isn't she? Let's see. Well, please don't tell me she's here. Please, beep, 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 beep. What? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Where could she possibly be? Oh. Wee, 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 wee. Mama, Marina, mama, mama, me, 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 me. Me, me, me. Yeah. Well, you just got debated. Well, I don't want to sound rude, but all right. I'm just gonna wrap up the video, and thank you guys for watching. And I know it was a bit weird because I know you guys like. Well, you did hear my tapping ASMR and my yes sir, and thank you guys for watching the video. And we're close to 80K, and it really means a lot to me. Like I remember when I hit 10K, like what, March maybe. Oh, get it. Let's imagine if I get a golly. And thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. And hope we get to 100,000. And yes, as I said, I promise with the face reveal. Look, the mom herself, Truddle. Yes, she still took my weapons. Sure. Alright, let's just do one more. And then I'll wrap up the video. Bro, I'm so sick. No more. I'm just gonna use. Come on. No. No, it's traps. I wanted to use slate. You got baited. Ah! Well. Me. Well. Trap here. Meow. No, she's coming through here again. Is she? Nah. Nah, la di doo. La di da, la da dee, la di doo, la di day. La di dee, la di doo. Okay, I'm safe. Right, we're gonna, yeah. We're just gonna push her through this side. Oh yeah, she has no sound, so she wouldn't be able to know I'm coming through here. Maybe if she doesn't look this way. Oh no, she is looking through this way. And you're stuck in there. You're stuck in there. You're stuck in there. You cannot get out because you're stuck in there. You are stuck in there. You are stuck in there. I swear to God. Third time, please kill her. Thank you, because I don't want to die, and I'm gonna choke myself. I die. That's a bit weird when I said that. GG. Well, anyways, guys, and hope you guys enjoy the video, and hope you guys stay safe, and also with my heart, let's just say, or you can't see my heart, but you're amazed and loved. That's what you are. Okay. Yeah, I know you guys have a bad. I know ever since quarantine, everyone's been upset, but I'm here to cheer you up. Like, I'm gonna be your somewhat pink therapist, okay? And yes, I hope you guys have a great day, and stay safe, everyone. And yes, hope that made you smile and blush, cause yeah. Anyways, see you guys. Stay safe, and bye bye.